What if the power went out right now and it didn't come back on for a week or a month? Everyone talks about food storage, beans, rice, cans stacked to the ceiling, but nobody talks about this. How are you actually opening all those cans safely day after day? And is it reliable? Because disaster doesn't just change what you eat, it changes how you think about everything. I'm MJ, your grid down gourmet rebel, and I build pantry meal systems that work in real life and when things go sideways. And after years of cooking straight from the pantry, I realized something kind of embarrassing. I had all the food, but I was still fighting with cheap can openers. Cheap ones like this. I was cutting my fingers, dropping the lids into the food. Like, why are we still using this? Why is this still default? It's disgusting. Then I discovered this safety can opener and I will never go back. Let me show you why this thing is different. First, it cuts the can from the side, not the top. So when you open it, there are no sharp edges, like none. Your kids can open this. You literally can run your finger around the top or bottom, no more sliced fingers. No more, why is this lid trying to kill me? So it's safe for your kids and senior citizens. Second, this is my favorite part. The lid pops off and stays attached to the opener. You don't have to touch it, you don't have to fish it out when it drops inside your food and every kind of nasty bacteria is now inside your food. That's nasty. When you're done, you just turn the handle and it drops straight off. No more negotiating with terrorists. Third, the blade itself never touches the food. So no more weird gunk trying to clean this nasty can opener. No cross-contamination, no mysterious can of juice in your opener going into your next can. And if you're opening messy stuff like chili or soup, this matters a lot. Fourth, this lid is smooth, like super smooth, and you can pop it on the can just like a lid and throw it in the fridge so you can use it later. No foil, no plastic wrap, no plastic baggies. The lid is actually the lid. And this thing is solid, heavy duty, chrome, feels like it's gonna last forever. And honestly, this one has lasted me 2-3 years and it's still going strong. I actually bought 2 or 3 and put them in the pantry just in case this gives up, but this thing is still going strong. But here's the deal. When you start thinking about power outages, storms, emergency, you realize it's not just about having food. It's about having systems that actually work. Little things like this, they matter more than you think. Because when life gets chaotic, simple wins feel huge. Because when you're building your pantry, you're not just stocking food, you're stocking smart. Get this safety can opener or honestly, you're gonna regret it. When the power is out or when your sharp as a razor lid falls into your can of food for the 100th time and you can't cope anymore. Now, I spent $20 on this one, which was money well spent, but I just checked and it's actually on sale for 13 bucks. 13. I actually bought another one because 1 is none and 2 is 1. So if you want meals that actually taste good from the pantry every single day, follow me. And I'll show you how to cook real food with no fridge, straight from the pantry. No stress, no dinner panic. And yeah, maybe stop fighting your can opener while you're at it. loadedpotato.org.